It's a very proud feeling for the entire NSUI that we have ended the 6 terms by the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha that they were ruling the Goa University. We are very proud that every year they have been trying to do all types of settings, all types of things, all types of malpractices that they've been doing, and they've been trying to win the election every year. But this year we made a strategy, such a strategy that we made sure and ensured that they do not even have a proposer and seconder to even file their nominations for the Goa University Student Council. Last year we had demanded for open elections. Our demand for open elections was never met with 75% of our UCRs and 75% of our UFRs. We have made sure that the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha is kept out from the university and our person rules the university. We won the election.
All the seats are won.
Yeah, 75% of our UCRs and 75% of our UFRs have won, and the council who's the sole person is us.
But it is declared by the university.
University is declared. We have the photo.
Photo.
I'll show you the file. Yeah, there are many members actually. Total around 50 members, but many names are.
No, this is student council election or what?
Student council election. Student council, you can write his name. Vikram Gowde. Vikram.
So he'll be the only person. No, without panel.
Nobody else.
Nobody else.
They have further gone to the governor now to extend the dates. I think the university elections have already been dragged for quite some time. It's the end of semester and they still want to extend it so that their forms are put in now. If somebody wakes up and gives a call, maybe that they're trying, but I don't think fairly it will be a good decision on the governor's part to give the extension of the dates. And this is the greatest victory for NSUI की त्या आमची दिवाळी आता बेगीन जाला नरकासुरा वर्त केल्यावरी ह्या वर्सा BJYM युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या आम्ही बाहेर काढून उडयले.
The issues that we have taken up always from the year, you've always been supportive for the entire issues that we've been taking. Also, we had made various allegations about Datish Parulekar, who had acted biased in the starting, but we are very thankful for him that he has stood by the constitution, he has stood with the students of Goa, and he has been right in declaring their candidates as invalid. Thanks a lot to the entire student community once again.